Introducing the DWE-402 Small Angle Grinder by Dewalt. One of the most durable small angle grinders Dewalt has ever produced, with features that maximize cut depth and ease of use. In fact, this grinder has over 142 new parts, a cooler temperature rise, and is designed to deliver more power. With guaranteed tough construction and compact design that was made to fit your hands, the dust ejection system allows cooling air in while ejecting harmful debris out. The powerful next-generation motor can tackle tough jobs other Dewalt small angle grinders can't. The advanced airflow management system channels cool air into the tool, cooling the motor and internal components. This cooler motor lasts longer and delivers more reliable power. The integrated heat sink reduces gearbox temperatures. The DWE-402 Small Angle Grinder is built to last and is always built guaranteed tough by Dewalt.